sir. So for the LCD module connections, so RS to CO, EN to C1, D4, C2, D5, C3, D6, C4, D7, C5. Also for pin direction. Then for the user defined functions, to initialize the LCD and ADC, then the display access and unlock. Then for variable declaration and initialization, then void main 3D for the ADC and LCD. Then for the LCD in row 1, output chart gonna welcome. Then for row 2, door closed. Then if owner wants to enter house, input to password, then display door status. Then for the LCD initialization, and for ADC initialization, then for read input password, in case 1 to case 16, this for switch use str cut. Then for display access, then for fan activate should be continuous until turned off. Then light activate. Then door status for simulate in ICs. So in simulation, when the system activated, LCD display welcome, and in the first row and the second row has a display of door closed. The owner should input the correct password to the keypad to open the door, and it will display access granted, or if wrong, access denied. Then red switch is for the status of the door, and also the owner has the control to turn off the light and fan using the keypad. But unfortunately, sir, so sir,